So my YouTube fan, Marisha, just washing the pumpkin and the potato and the chocho. Doing a good job, Marissa.
I help me wash that. It's my first time washing. This is my first time washing food myself. It's my first time.
It's the first time you're washing food by yourself.
Yeah.
It must be your first, isn't it, Marissa?
First time.
So you always want to be in the kitchen to help daddy and mommy.
Yeah.
So that is your job.
That's my job.
You love it?
Yep. It feels like washing the plate.
You feel like washing the plate?
Yeah.
But you never washed plate before.
And then fridge it back.
Alright, Marissa? You needed it down? Press it down, yeah, make it like that.
Too hard to press it down.
Go on, do it your way, slowly. Alright, that one is too big for you. So you do that one.
That's a big one.
Yeah, right, make that one down.
I'm gonna do it like this.
Yeah.
It's always better to just scratch a little bit than it won't scratch you.
So you're gonna make some dumpling now.
Yeah. Try to get it up.
Careful.
I'm doing a different one now. It takes a long time to push it down, guys. I think I can do it really fast. Can you give me a long weekend? That one?
We don't need a roll.
It takes a long time to squish.
Yeah, you fold it over like that. So you do it like that.
Daddy, I'm supposed to do that.
So you do it like that.
Daddy,
So that is your one. This is my one.
then you can turn it around. I'm making a one, big one.
Be careful, don't play. Put it down.
This is why the exercise is.
Make it like that.
That's too big for me.
Just pinch off a piece of it.
That's just a small picture.
No, you do that one. This is your one. Do your one like that.
I'm going
Alright, put your one there.
Yeah, let me see. Yep. I tried to make it smaller. Where's that one way to go?
Look on daddy. Daddy do it like that.
I'm making it super long than yours. See? Longer than yours.
No, that one is too big. You need to cut it in two. Let me show you a trick. Let me show you a trick. Since you want to make a long one, okay? Do like that.
I just make this.
Then after, feel like a worm, fold it like that. And then you pinch it together. And then we get the circle.
No, do not get that. That's right.
Look at that and make them quick.
Yours mine's this longer than yours.
Yeah, but you take too long to make that one.
Because I want to take it longer to make a big one, big circle.